even if Fred was a little special. When I was a boy of 10, I had a very best friend. Fred was kind with good intent, but just a little different. Oh, special Fred. Mama dropped him on his head. Now he's not so bright, instead he's a little bit special. Just a little bit. We'd play tag and he'd get hurt. I'd play soldier, he'd eat dirt. I like math and the spelling bee. Fred liked talking to a tree. Oh, special Fred. Mama dropped him on his head. Now she keeps him in the shed, 'cause he's a little bit special. Just a little bit. I ran track, hung out in malls. Fred ran head first into walls. I had girls and lots of clothes. Fred had names for all his toes. Oh, special Fred. Mama dropped him on his head. Now he thinks he's a piece of bread, 'cause he's a little bit special. Just a little bit. One day talking to special Fred, he grabbed a brick and he swung at my head. And as he laughed at me, that's when I knew that special Fred just made me special too. Now I laugh as I count bugs. I give strangers great big hugs. Next to me, Fred is fine. Yeah, he's a fucking Einstein. Oh, special Fred and me. Now we're not right in the head, you see. Now we're not so bright, instead we're a little bit special. Just a little bit special. That bastard Fred made me special. Just a little bit. Just a little bit special.